Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a fillable text box border color using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF from and I'll set this text box border color. Now select this form option and select a selection, select annotation option. Now click on this text box and click right button and open properties dialog box. This properties dialog box, go appearance option, this border color option. You can see its default border color. See this border color settings. Also you can add here other color and you can add and this one and set close and see this. Also see this text box border color similar way. I'll add this one and set close. Now click on this hand option and see this. This text box border color now change. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and